At the core of the production line is the cooking and heating system, which plays a crucial role in extracting oil from raw materials through controlled heat application. This system ensures uniform heating, preventing overheating or underprocessing of materials. Following this, once the crude oil is extracted, it moves into the filtration section, where impurities and particles are removed to enhance clarity and quality. Modern filtration systems often incorporate advanced technologies such as multi-stage filters and centrifuges to achieve superior results. Subsequently, the degumming and decolorizing processes further refine the oil by removing gums, pigments, and other undesirable elements. The deodorization unit is another critical component of the production line. It eliminates unwanted odors and flavors, producing a neutral-tasting oil suitable for various applications. Additionally, the cooling system aids in stabilizing the refined oil before packaging. Automation and control systems are also integral to the operation of the production line. These systems monitor and regulate various parameters such as temperature, pressure, and flow rates, ensuring consistent performance and minimizing human error. Overall,